Hello everyone, welcome to 3M Squad. This is the match reaction between Arsenal and Sheffield United. We have with us Akshat, a massive Arsenal fan. Hi Akshat.
Hello, 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 hello. How's everyone?
I'm great.
What a win, man. What a win. I'm buzzing, man. Like बहुत मजा आया आज लाइक इतने दिनों बाद आर्सेनल इतना इतने सारे गेम्स हमने खेले एंड दिस वाज लाइक वन ऑफ दोस गेम्स इन व्हिच वी वर विनिंग कंफर्टेबली इट वाज अ कन्विंसिंग विन बहुत दिनों बाद ऐसा लगा कि हाँ मतलब सही है ये जीत जाएंगे but even at 1-0 when Martinelli got injured like he didn't get injured when he was on the floor I was like shit up guy like cause if it's 1-0 in football, it can change anytime. We saw yesterday's the City game. They were
Right,
dominating the entire game, 24 shots or what. And then they just conceded in the last minute to lose.
correct.
So I
Yeah,
was damn nervous, but Martinelli got the second goal.
right.
That was massive. That was massive. That was like a first getting a goal after 440 days. I get it. It was a tap in. I get it. It was against Sheffield United. I don't care. Martinelli scoring
That's a goal.
makes me happy. I'm a simple man. उसके अलावा the game was so up and down. Like we were winning the entire time, but with those injuries, Saka got injured. Like he actually got injured. He went off and then उसने से थाई पे like ice लगा दिया उन्होंने. And that is not good for us. We have a massive game on Thursday night.
He's one of your main players this season, yeah? Yeah,
Main
carrying your
plus
team, you could say.
he is a player of the year easily. Player of the year. Leno has been I don't know, like he has been kind of sus. Oba has been dreadful. Oba has
Okay,
been dreadful.
to be honest, as an outsider looking in, when you say Leno, I remember was it Wolves? Yeah, the Wolves handball, and I'm like, no way, you're looking at
No, no,
Leno as
that was oh my god. That was something I didn't expect from a professional keeper. Leave Leno. A professional keeper that Wolves game. Nah, we won't go there. That was a dreadful evening. That was a dreadful evening.
that was. Yeah, let's forget that day. आज अच्छी दिन है, तो let's celebrate
आज तो
good days.
Martinelli scoring makes me happy. Bas.
Simple man, simple needs. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so you seem super happy. Any complaints for your manager? Tactics were perfect, or kuch
Ah,
think you were fine?
got it perfect today. Got it perfect. Only thing would be I would have been happy to see Miguel Aziz for some time instead of Elneny when we were 2-0 up. Like it wasn't like we weren't conceding anyhow, but
Right.
that's okay. I mean, it's okay. I think he has some plans. Whatever he does for a reason.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. Correct. So now, let's go with player ratings. I think you're super happy. So let's see how your player ratings come up. So,
Yeah.
goalkeeper Leno. How what do you
Then
think his performance was?
it didn't have to do anything. There was one point when someone crossed the ball and Leno instead of catching the ball, punched it. That was really stupid. It was so easy to catch. Just catch the ball. We do these things and then we concede. So that was one thing. But other than I don't think he had any saves or anything.
I I,
Six.
I remember the Olympic Olympicanos one where you conceded from a
Oh
last
my
minute
god. Oh my
corner because
god. The things we do, man, that the keeper and centre backs just go brain dead for moments with no communication. But that's okay. I would give him a six
okay,
today.
okay, yeah,
Oh no, actually, I would give him a seven. We got a clean sheet. I would give him a seven.
seven, yeah, fair, a positive move, a positive mood, positive score. What
First
about your
clean sheet in
backing?
14 games.
Okay,
First clean sheet in 14 games.
wow, I didn't know that stat, so that's must be worth
We
celebrating, yeah.
don't have we don't have a centre back pairing. We play anyone. Our centre backs, no pairing.
Holding
Yes.
Pablo Mari, that Spanish
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Pablo
uh,
Murray is our
Brazilian.
second best defender. Pablo Murray is our second best centre back after Gabriel, hands down.
Okay,
He's so good sometimes. Like the interceptions he does, it's beautiful.
it's
Pablo Murray,
beautiful.
Pablo Murray ate easily,
Eight,
and
wow.
Holding was yeah. Oh my god, the interceptions he did sometimes, like when they were breaking, I would give him an eight easily, easily
Okay,
an eight.
okay, and Cafu, the English
Holding.
Cafu, according to some Twitter experts.
I wouldn't call him English Kafu. English Kafu is Chambers, by the way. Chambers was good today. He was
Yeah,
good.
Chambers, exactly. His rating.
He was good. I would give him a seven easily.
7, yeah. By the way,
making runs.
he's been such a I wouldn't say relief, but he has been much better than Bellerin at right back,
Oh
at
my
least from
God,
whatever I have seen.
Bellerin is dreadful, man. I would rather play a breadstick in his place. Bellerin can't take throw-ins, man. He's dreadful. Chambers easy 7, making runs into the box, crossing. He had a good chance to score. He shot, but someone saved it on the goal line, so that's
Yeah,
okay.
that's fine. That's fine. Win is a win, though. Now, Zaka at left back. What was that? And your reactions,
It
ratings?
was really like okay. Shaka has played left back before, like when like in some games when a left back gets injured, or maybe we don't have a left back on the bench, he goes as a left back. He seems comfortable there. Today he was flawless, I would say, flawless at left back.
Flawless.
Didn't
Wow.
give them a single chance. But then, to be fair, they didn't have any chance. They didn't give themselves any chance.
Yeah, I mean, it
So
was Sheffield United at the end of the day.
they didn't attack at all. That's
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, yeah.
So I'll still give him a 7. I like him at left back than at CM purely because him playing at left back boosts Partey as a CM.
Oh, makes sense. Makes sense. Yeah. So now thoughts on your pivot, Ceballos and Partey. I know
Oh my
Ceballos was
God, Sebas, what a game! I would say that was one of his best games in an Arsenal shirt.
maybe he has found his level, Sheffield United.
Yeah, yeah. Listen, he is no. I wouldn't take him at Arsenal even if he does that performance again.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
he's not Arsenal level. Okay, and Real want like 25 million for him. 25 or 25 million
I mean,
for him,
that's
and
nothing though. In this market, that's kind of nothing.
for other fans, not for Arsenal. 25 million is a budget. That's the amount Stan gives us without any outgoings. No way am I putting that on Ceballos. But he was good today. One of his best performances, an 8 easily. That assist was wow.
Yeah, yeah. It was definitely a
Arsene Wenger
nice
would be
assist.
proud of that assist.
Arsene Wenger. Okay,
That goal.
now
Wow.
Thomas Partey. I must say,
Oh my God.
yeah, you were very happy from your tweets, what I
He,
could see.
yeah, yeah. He has come back. I don't know what happened today. He got because I think what happened. Ceballos had a good game, and Shaka wasn't playing as a partner with him,
Right.
so it just boosted his game so much. He
Why
was
though?
so much
Like,
better.
did it allow him to go forward? I didn't see anything like.
Yeah,
I mean, he
he
was
played as a
definitely
six.
better, but I
He
didn't
played as a
see anything.
six instead of being purely defensive. Was a proper B2B today, going into their box, making those passes. That assist, my God, wow! That reminded me of that Ozil pre-assist against Leicester last year. No, 2 years back.
2 years back. Okay. Okay, that's
That three.
nice.
What a pass by Partey, man!
A lot
Beautiful.
of positivity. Direct Partey versus comparisons. Yeah.
Partey is world class, man. Partey on his day is world class. Easy 8.5.
Yeah, yeah,
Easy.
yeah. Okay, okay. Now, I was watching the game and now I wasn't really sure about where Saka, Pepe, and Martinelli were playing. Lacazette was
What
clear he
happened?
was playing as a striker. I wasn't sure who was the
Yeah.
over there.
The thing with our tactic was we were shifting from a 4-3-3 to a 3-4-3.
Right,
But like the plan was 4-3-3 as when we don't have the ball, and 3-4-3 when we have the ball. We had the ball for the majority, like not majority, but in good possession.
right,
You understand? Like in their half, the ball was concentrated in their half, even if it was with them.
right,
So what happened was Shaka was still going into like a little forward. Saka had a free role.
right,
Like he start like we thought in the starting he was playing as a 10, but it wasn't really a 10 position. He was like a left center mid kind of position.
right.
It
Correct.
was a free role. I mean, it's Saka. Like you can play him anywhere.
Yeah, he
Anywhere.
played left back. So yeah, yeah, yeah. You could do that.
I'm telling you, give him a chance as a goalkeeper and he would be better than Richarlison.
Goalkeeper. Okay, okay,
Saka is really bad. I
okay.
would give him a
So
7,
what's your rating for
7.5.
Saka? Huh?
7.5.
7.5. Yeah, yeah. I would kind of agree with that. Yeah, I would agree with that. Martinelli got a goal.
Martinelli, bro, 10 out of 10 for the
Out
tapping.
of
I
10.
don't care. I don't care. But okay, okay. His pressing, my God. That pressing is
Come on, you
something
can't
I
just
have.
give 10 out of 10 for pressing. Yeah, that's so like
No, no, no.
harmful.
Uh,
Giving 10 out of 10 type of
that's
performances for pressing. Come on.
that's something I haven't seen from any player. That amount of pressing,
But then
especially after seeing
pressing a
Oba in that.
manager's thing, like pressing is what your manager instructs you to do, not the player, right? मतलब player
But
थोड़ी
no one
ऐसे task
presses.
देता है
But no
press
one
करना है.
presses. No one presses. That's the thing. Our players, some of our players can't even do the basics, man. I've seen Oba in that position so many times. He just doesn't press. He falls back. Yes, he goes for the defense, but he doesn't press high.
Okay,
At
okay.
least not as much as Martinelli. Martinelli's pressing is crazy, man. His speed, stamina,
Yeah,
everything.
yeah.
I
Fair.
would give him a nine.
Pretty fair.
All right, I
Pretty
will give him
fair.
a
Yeah,
nine. I
yeah,
would
yeah.
give him a nine.
Fair,
He got a
fair.
goal
Yeah.
as well.
Now, 72 million flop, Nicolas Pepe.
Oh man, listen.
Of
I
course, math
don't
is
like
there.
Pepe. I don't like Pepe at all, man.
Oh,
I
wow.
just the way he plays, it's just something. The way he plays, he just doesn't keep the ball, man. Like in the first 30 minutes, he just gave up with the ball every time. I don't know what he was doing, man. I mean, he was good in the second half. I would say yes, he was better. Nowhere near 72 million at least. I mean that
Pepe,
okay.
Pepe.
I don't know. I don't know if the PL will give him
By
an
the way,
assist for that
for Pepe,
Martinelli.
just to interrupt, for Pepe, what I've
Yeah,
noticed is, yeah, वो he comes, मतलब उसका form ऐसे, मतलब his form is come good, and then Arteta is
I'll
like,
tell
I'm
you
not
that.
gonna
I'll
play you
tell you that.
next game.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That
Yeah,
thing which happens now, which in which इसमें उसका form बहुत ही crazy हो जाता है.
right.
It's always when he's playing against UEL farmers. Always.
But against
Yes.
Southampton, I
Yes.
remember
I will tell you.
Southampton and even the next
Obvious-
team after Southampton, Pepe had
Obviously,
a
he will have one or
masterclass.
two. But that's
And then
obvious
he
now.
dropped him. Third game, he was dropped.
But that's the thing. We have better players. We have better players at left wing. We have better players at right wing. We have better. What else? Where else can he play? I've seen. I thought there was one game in which Pepe even played right back. I think we had that game in which we
Wow,
had
right back.
that Wolves one. I think Wolves one. We had two red cards. Pepe went right back. I don't know what was happening that game,
Yeah,
but
that
that's
game was
okay,
an
man.
exception though.
I mean, Pepe was okay. Like okay, But the thing is, when Pepe came, the one thing he did good was dribbling. He used to dribble past defenders, nutmeg them.
Right.
अब वो भी नहीं करता है भाई वो.
वो भी नहीं करता.
कुछ नहीं करता वो बॉल लेके पता नहीं कहाँ जाता है यार वो मतलब भागते रहता है बॉल लेके
You must
एक प्लेयर आता है
that
सामने इट्स गॉन.
you must really hate Rashford then for United. He's very frustrating, and then but the thing is, he will come up with the movement of magic every single game.
Rashford isn't worth 72 million. Now the thing is that we are paying we paid 72 million. We could have used that money so many other places now. And the worst thing is it's not even 72 million direct. It was 19 million or something in installment. So we're still paying for him.
Still
We
paying
have
for him.
still paying for him. Each year our budget will go down because of that.
Okay,
But I
okay,
don't know.
interesting.
I would give him a 6.5.
That I feel like there's some magenta, but I'm just gonna ignore it.
Okay.
Now Laka.
Two goals. Top
Yeah,
goal scorer for us. I think since game week 15, he has had the most goals for a striker
and
except Harry Kane.
most chances as well.
Yeah, yeah. So he
And
has been really, I would say he has been really underrated this season by the entire,
underrated. Okay.
even by our fans. Yes. I mean, the thing is, he has potential to do so much more. He misses some chances, man. Like some of the chances he
Yeah,
misses.
he misses pure sitters, and the sitters aren't like, let's say
And then
like,
he would go and score a screamer. I don't know what he does, man.
oh yeah, first
Like,
game, I remember first game and some Europa League game, he scored a
yeah,
creamer.
yeah. He scores screamers, misses sitters in the same game.
So what's your rating
Yeah.
for Laka?
Do you remember that game, Chelsea versus City, 2 3 years ago, 6-0.
Yeah,
City
yeah,
won 6-0.
yeah.
Aguero missed a tap in the start and then went on to score a hat trick. One of those goals was a shoot from outside the box.
Right.
That's what Lacazette makes me remember, even though he's not Aguero. But yeah,
Yeah,
my
yeah.
rating would go, but he got two goals. The second goal was a class finish, man. The second goal wasn't easy to score. If you, I was like, how did he score this and not that Slavia Praha one? I would give Lacazette a 9.5.
Okay,
Lacazette would be the
so
man
that's
of the match.
we're done with our player ratings, and now that you bring up Slavia Prague, this is the interesting thing. So now let's say you as an Arsenal fan, what do you think
Yeah.
about the Premier League and Europa League? Like, is Premier League? Do you even care about the results? I know you're
Yeah.
very happy, but
Like
uh,
today we won, right? Since today we won. we are mathematically not gonna get relegated. I say play the academy team in these games. I don't care, man.
You
Like,
don't care
okay,
about
I'm
Premier
gonna be
League.
serious. I'm gonna be serious here. I don't care, yeah, but I'm gonna be serious. There's a good chance we don't win the UEL. Obviously, it's a good chance. Our most probable
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not
most
gonna lie. I don't wanna. If there's any team I don't wanna face, it's Arsenal in the UEL. So that basically
yeah,
means you have a good chance.
same man. But that's the thing, right? There's a good chance we won't win even against Villarreal, or if we reach the final, most probably any of United, Roma, or Ajax, any of those. All three are strong teams.
Right, correct.
So I was looking at the table. I think we aren't far from fifth or sixth. I think seven or some points. And considering our run of fixtures, I think we could have a good chance.
Okay, so I have a question. If
Or
Arsenal win all their
we're already
games,
bottling.
if
Yeah,
Arsenal win all their games, would they get
yeah,
top four?
yeah. Oh, top four. That's hard, but it is possible because one of those is Chelsea. If we win all, then you're saying that we will win against Chelsea, and I don't trust Chelsea, man. They can't do
Yeah,
anything.
especially with Tuchel. I agree. Okay, so that basically means Premier League's over for you.
I
You
don't
don't
think
care
top
about the
four.
results, yeah?
Top six is still important. If we don't win the UEL, we still get UEL next year, right?
So you
I
want
don't
UEL
want.
next year though?
Obviously, I want Europe. I don't want to play nothing.
Really?
But
You would
okay,
take
I will.
Europa League? I've seen AFTV guys. They're like, I would just go chill one year,
Okay,
just
yeah,
focus on
no,
the
no.
Premier League, no
What
Europa
this?
League, and
No,
then
no,
go on to
not at
go to
all.
the
I will
Champions
tell you
League.
why. I will tell you
Yeah,
why. If we didn't have Europa League, we wouldn't have unearthed these amount of youngsters we have. The only thing UL has helped us is in those group stages, the young talent we have found. Saka is because of those chances in the UEL group stages.
that's a brilliant observation. I've never thought about it from that perspective, but
Those
that is a brilliant observation. And so
listen, we
so
knew
you
Martinelli was good because in the preseason he was on form. Saka
right.
was that good in those preseason 2 3 years ago, but then in those UEL group stages, man, that game against Frankfurt, I think he scored the goal, assisted one. That was the game that was like, yes, this guy can be something good.
Can yeah, definitely,
He
definitely.
and no, I wouldn't. Why would anyone take no Europe? I would only take no Europe if it meant we were going into the conference league. I don't want to go into the conference league, man. No, I won't be able to take that banter.
Wait, if you win the Conference League? Is does that mean UCL or?
UEL, UEL. But I don't
I
think
see why you don't want the Conference League then in that case.
that's embarrassing, man. Playing
That
in
is
that is
embarrassing.
embarrassing.
Okay.
I would rather we be 10th and don't get anything. I don't want that easy. Because UEL
Yeah.
still gives you some money. Some money. UEL still
It's
gives
not
you.
so much though. It's like 1 million, 2 million or something.
No, no, it's more than that.
Yeah,
Actually,
the winnings of if you win the UL, it's 12 million, which is nothing. You don't get Dan James for that much
you
money.
see, you see. I wouldn't consider United transfers as good transfers, man. They overpay so much.
Yeah, but still,
Maguire for 80 million, my God.
we're not getting that. I think Wagawa 80 million is
But
worth
I'm
it.
gonna.
And you
But
know what?
if
We'll have a
when you have
debate about that.
Telstar,
We'll have a debate about that on this
yeah,
channel with few
I
people why
feel
Maguire
Maguire
is
is.
worth 80 million.
Yeah, I feel Maguire is underrated. Honestly,
He is,
he's
but
banned.
this is let's stick to Arsenal. But it was such a good convo, yeah. I
Yeah,
great insights on
sure.
Arsenal. That was a great insight that you unearth these talents, Martinelli and Saka, from playing in the UEL. So that was something I'd never thought about for United. And
Yeah,
now that I think about it, if I'm not wrong, Rashford did score his first goal in UEL as well. So
yeah,
uh,
exactly.
yeah,
But
yeah,
Rashford announced himself because he scored on his debut,
he
a
did.
brace
He
against
scored a
Arsenal.
brace, I think, on his debut. But uh,
Against Arsenal.
yeah, in the Premier League he did. Yes. No, he
Remember
played in the
that
Premier
game?
League because he scored in the UEL.
No, it was someone from your team got injured, and then Rashford came on and then scored a brace. And that was the season we were winning the title. We
The
lost that
title,
game, and then
yeah.
we lost like 2 3 games after that, and we lost the title.
I lost the title. Yeah. But yeah, what an interesting convo. Arsenal fans seems very happy after beating Sheffield United. Looks like they have found their levels and yeah.
You got to take what you got to.
Huh?
We got to take the win, man. I got to be happy. Come
You got
on,
to take the win.
let
That's
me be
right. You can only beat
let me be
what's in front
happy.
of you. By the way, are you still 10th or 11th or? Ninth.
Ninth, bro. We're
Ninth.
upper
What an
it.
improvement. What an improvement. 10th from ninth. Now
No,
no more.
I'm speaking facts.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm speaking facts, man. We're ninth. Can't do anything. We'll go up. No
It go
problem.
up. Okay.
We're above Aston Villa, who's crying now Emi Martinez.
That must be annoying. Martinez. Better keeper than Leno at least.
No. Agree to disagree.
Just agendas. But yeah, I guess that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this
Yeah.
video. This is a brilliant convo and a brilliant insight into how Arsenal's run, Arsenal's priorities, and Arsenal's performance against Sheffield United. We'll be doing more of these videos and hopefully also some watch alongs. So that's it for today. I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.